Hello student, I Dr. Anjana, Assistant Professor, Department of Dravyagun, CBPACS, welcome you all in e-learning classes. In the continuation of Kandugna Dravya, today we will start the plant Haridra. Introduction. Haridra, commonly known as turmeric, is used as spice, preservative, coloring matter, and has wide range of medicinal and pharmacological applications. It is an perennial herb with pulpy orange tuberous root. Botanically, it is identified as Curcuma longa Linn. The rhizomes of Haridra is pungent, bitter in taste and widely used in Ayurvedic, Unani and Siddha herbal system for the management of different diseases. It exhibits anti-inflammatory, anti-HIV, antibacterial, antioxidant, nematocidal, antiparasitic, antispasmodic and anti-carcinogenic activities. From the ancient times, it is used as widely in different diseases. In Atharva Veda, Haridra was used for the treatment of Kusht Roga. In Agni Puran, it is indicated in the treatment of Prameha, Vranaropan, Kamla and Arsha. Nomenclature. The Latin name of Haridra is Curcuma longa Linn. It belongs to Gingiberaceae family. In Hindi, it is known as Haldi and in English, it is called turmeric. Vernacular names. These are some regional names of Haridra. In Assamese, it is known as Holodi. In Bengali, Halut. In Gujarati, Haldhar. Kannada, Arishina. Marathi, Halad. In Oriya, Holodi. In Punjabi, Haldi. In Tamil, Manjal. In Telugu, Pasupu or Pampi. And in Urdu, Haldi. Classification. Charak has included Haridra in Kushtagna Mahakashaya, the drugs which are helpful in treat the skin diseases. Kandugna Mahakashaya, those drugs which are helpful in treatment of the itching problem. Vishagna Mahakashaya, Shiro Virechan Mahakashaya and Tikta Skandha. Shushrut is included in Haridradigana and Mustadigana. Bhavaprakash Nighantu included this drug in Haritakyadi Varga. These are some synonyms of Haridra. Kanchani. The color of dried rhizome resembles the color of gold. Nishakhya or Nisha. Like the moonlight, it has the property to illuminate the darkness. Pita, Pitangi, Pitika and Varvarnini. These terms are used because it is the best drug for enhancing the complexion. Rajni or Ranjani. It is used for dyeing the clothes, etc. The term Lakshmi or Mangala or Pavitra, these are given because it is abundantly used in all the auspicious or religious functions. Hatta Vilasini, it draws attention due to its bright color. Yoshit Priya or Stri Vallabha, because it is very much popular among women folk as a cosmetic drug. Gauri, because it is used to improve skin complexion. Vishagni, because the plant has antitoxin action. Crimigna. The rhizomes exhibits antimicrobial properties. Mahogany because it has anti-diabetic action. Distribution. Haridra is a native drug of Southeast Asia and is mostly cultivated in all over India. In India, it is mainly cultivated in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Orissa, Punjab, West Bengal and Kerala. India is the largest producer, consumer and exporter of Haridra in the world and has the highest diversity of curcuma species. Morphology. It is an aromatic perennial herb with short stem, erect leaves arising from the rhizome, and the height of plant up to 1 to 2 feet long. Leaves. The leaves are simple, oblong, and lanceolate. The apex of leaves are cordate, acuminate, and the base is tapering. The leaves are glossy, bright green in color and smooth surface. The color of the leaves become yellow when it matures. The leaves are lengthy and rectangular in shape. Flowers. The flowers of Haridra is white to pale yellow color and in spikes form. It arises from center of the leafy shoot. Rhizomes. The rhizomes are highly aromatic. The length of rhizome is 2.5 to 7.5 centimeter and the diameter is 1 to 2 centimeter. Yellowish orange internally and yellowish to yellowish brown externally with root scars and remnant of leaf bases. The shape is ovate, oblong, pyriform or cylindrical. The fractures horny, fractured surface orange to reddish brown. Types. In Bhavaprakash Nikantu, there are 4 types of Haridra is described. Haridra is Curcuma longa Linn. Another one is Vanya Haridra, that is Curcuma aromatica salisb. Third one is Amragandhi Haridra, that is Curcuma amada roxb. And the fourth one is Daru Haridra. Botanically it is Berberis aristata. Cultivation. The Haridra is planting with the first monsoon showers and the root or the pieces of rhizomes are planted approximately 20 to 40 centimeter apart, and the annual crop taking 7 to 10 months to mature. Properties of Haridra. The rasa is tikta and katu. Gun is laghu and ruksha. Katu vipak and virya is ushna virya. Chemical constituents. The main chemical constituents are curcumin or curcuma, D-methoxycurcumin, bis-D-methoxycurcumin, curcumenon and turmerin. The curcumin have anti-inflammatory properties along with protecting the skin by increasing collagen deposit. Curcumin suppress the growth of squamous cell carcinoma, and also it is very without a flavor and aroma. It is strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory characteristic. It inhibits the viral and fungal diseases. Curcumin is polyphenol. It is usual form in dry yellow powder, that is oil soluble. Karma. Ayurvedic classics describes Haridra as Kushtagna. That means it helps to treat the skin diseases. Varnya, complexion promoter. Kandugna, it is decrease the itching property or anti-pruritus. Vedana, sthapak, analgesic. Krimigna is anti-helminthic. Vishagna, anti-toxic. Rakta prasadak is blood purifier. Rakta stambhan is hemostatic. Mutra sangrahaniya, that means Haridra is urinary astringent, and Mutra viranjaniya, it is help to correct the urinary pigmentation. Vrana shodhak and Vrana ropak is helpful in wound healing, and Rakta shodhak is blood purifier. Indication. It is indicated in Kushta, the skin disease, Kandu, the skin disease where the itching is present, Krimi, Prameha in diabetes, Jvara, Vrana, that is wound, Pandu, anemia, Kamla, jaundice, Vata Rakta, gout, Daha in burning sensation, Vibandh, constipation, Kas, cough, Swas, dyspnea, Pratishyay, running nose, and Sheet Pitta, that is in urticaria. Shloka. Haridra Kanchani Pita Nishakhya Varvarnini Krimigna Haldi Yoshit Priya Hatta Vilasini. These are the synonyms given by Bhava Prakash. The Kanchani, Pita, Nishakhya, Varvarnini, Krimigna, Yoshit Priya and Hatta Vilasini. These are explained already in the shloka slide. Haridra, Katuka, Tikta, Rukshoshna, Kaf Pittanut. Varnya, Tvag Dosh, Meh Ashra, Shoth Pandu, Vranapaha. The rasa of Haridra is Katu and Tikta. Guna is Ruksha, Ushnavirya, and this is Kafapitta Shamak. The karmas are Varnya, and it is indicated in Tvagdosh, Meha, Shotha, Pandu and Vrana. Therapeutic uses. Haridra is used both externally and internally. According to the different classics, it is internally used in Kusht. Haridra Churna with Gomutra daily for a month, it is indicated in Shushrut Chikitsa Sthan. According to Vrindamadhav, it is indicated in Shudra Rog. The Haridra Kalk mixed with Gomutra should be taken to minor skin ailments like Pama, Kandu, etc. In Prameha, Haritaki Churna mixed with honey with fresh Amlaki Swaras in early morning in any types of Prameha. Again Shushrut indicated in Pandu in the formation of Leha, Haridra, Triphala, Madhu and Grit. In the disease Vat Rakta, according to Bhava Prakash Nighantu, the decoction of Haridra and Amrita mixed with honey in Kapha predominant Vat Rakta. Again Bhava Prakash indicated in Shlipad, where the Haridra is intake with Guda with Gomutra. In Kasa, especially in Sushk Kasha, the Haridra Churn soaked in Vasa Swaras with fatty milk. The external use of Haridra in Vyanga, the paste of Haridra and Rakta Chandan with milk is applied on the dark spot. In Visarp, the paste prepared with Haridra and Bhringraj root pounded with cold water is applied topically in Visarp. In Arsh, paste of Haridra and Snohi Kshir or paste of Haridra, Pipali and Gopit externally applied. Part used. The useful part of Haridra is rhizome and the doses are in the form of powder it is 1 to 3 gram and in juice form it is 10 to 20 ml. Formulations: Haridra Khand, Panchnimbadi Churna and Rajniyadi Churna. Thank you for hearing me patiently. Be safe.